the outside of the big registration mark, not over it to the outside edges. Because once we put the screen up there, we can't see it. So it's on the film, just next to it. On the film, okay. Yeah, So there's the film, so next to the registration mark, because you can't see this tape, two-sided tape once you put it, once you put the screen up. So he needs some more tape. He needs a piece of tape. Who's got the tape? Okay, so now you're going to put your screen up on the 3 bumpers. Yep, stand in front of it. And you're going to put it on those. Squeeze here before you let it go back. Squeeze the bumper and this together, pushing down on that hand on those bumpers, and then tilt back slowly. And then you hold it in place, and with your other hand, you rub where you put the tape. See, that's why you put it there, because you can't see. You want to rub briskly. Yeah. We don't want that moving at all. Now you reach up and get just a top carrier sheet. And take that, and we're going to put it in. Exposing unit. Same thing as before, you're going to spin it around. Put the long tail facing you, film side down. String a full handspan inside. Yep, close it down, lock it up, and hit run. And here's our next film. Big hole, big peg, little hole, little peg. Yep, because it's big. You got it backwards. You're trying to probably put that big hole in that little peg. That's why they put different size holes and pegs, so you can't put the screen on backwards, image on backwards. Yeah. Nope, that's why they put the different size pegs, is to prevent that, yeah. So double check. Squeeze the film and the carrier sheet together and pull off gently so it doesn't move, so we can reuse that, God forbid we need to.